What is the cause of this universe? Indeed, this question makes no sense because it's a loaded question. Maybe there is no cause for this universe. When we ask what is the cause, we assume that there must be a cause and we want to learn the answer, which is a logical mistake. But is there any cause? It's hard to imagine something with no cause, right? But when it comes to this universe, believers cannot think that this universe may exist with no cause. This unfairness is caused by the notion that the universe has a beginning. The Big Bang is all about the expansion of this universe. 14 billion years ago, it started expanding. But can you claim that whatever started expanding also started existing? What if the singularity has always existed? Is the duration of the expansion the real age of this universe? Imagine a balloon with no air in it. It stays like that for a long time. Then we start inflating. Can we say, oh, now it started existing after it starts getting bigger? Let's go further and accept that the universe has a cause. This is also tricky because we would struggle to know the number of those causes. Maybe there are many causes, right? Or maybe just one cause. When we look at the things in this universe, we see that one thing can have one cause or many causes. I'm sorry, monotheist friends, you guys really need very strong arguments to prove why the cause must be one. But before we get there, we should know that a cause or causes don't mean gods. You must do a lot of work to reach that point. I don't want to give a clear definition of God here, but let's take it as just an intelligent being who created this universe. So, what do we have as options for the existence of the universe? A. An eternal universe with no cause. B. A universe caused by one thing. C. A universe caused by many things. D. A universe caused by one god. E. A universe caused by many gods. Let's explain the God part a little bit. When we look at the universe, we observe things with causes. Either a thing was caused by something intelligent like humans and animals, or it was caused by something non-intelligent. We can ignore animals here not to make it more confusing, because intelligence levels can be troubling when we talk about animals. It's better to imagine a human-like intelligence or a greater one. Anyway, if the universe has a cause, either it has intelligence or not. That's why I give credit to the God idea. And we have another option here. F. Mixed causes. We can have multiple combinations here. And now we have a bigger problem. I won't go into detail, but we have more options when we consider if these causes also have causes or not, what type of causes they are, and how long we can apply the same conditions for each answer. Let's start by picking one from those options that I mentioned and apply the same options by changing the subject. Sure, you shouldn't choose the first one if you want to see where it goes. You can apply the others normally, but when you get to the mixed one, you must ask those questions separately. For example, let's choose the second option, many gods plus something. Then these two will have their own conditions. We must apply the 6 conditions for each of them separately. After that, we must apply the same logic for the new answers. How will this causal chain stop? It will stop when the answer is no cause for any of these options. Is it possible to have an eternal causal chain? I don't know, but whatever the answer you have, I need strong evidence to believe. What do we have in the end? A bunch of scenarios based on one if statement. If the universe has a cause. We can run a lot of scenarios after we accept that there is a cause. Did we reach a conclusion? No. But the majority of the people on the planet believe that there is at least one cause of this universe. We immediately get stuck when we ask the cause of that cause. They create an exception out of thin air. God cannot have a cause. This is the definition of God. And so on. I won't get into that now, but the next video will be about this. It's enough for now. I hope it was enlightening. Thanks for watching. Take care and stay curious.